Okay, for today's lesson, so today this is our first online lesson. So for today's lesson, we have to make sure everybody is able to log into your EduReach Learn, and then if you were to see, this is Rian's sharing screen. So during online lesson, I want to see what you are doing. So you'll be sharing screen most of the time, and then we will spend some time on our LMS. All right. So usually we will spend like maybe the next 30 minutes to do the LMS. So this is our drill and practice questions. Uh, After that, what you usually after that, I will go through some word problem. Then and the word problem, you already have the paper with you. So or sometimes I'll just show you the paper, and then I will send to your parents later during using soft copy. Okay. So for today, as a start of the lesson, Rian and Rifki will do. Okay, Rian, can you scroll down a bit? Then you can show me your percentage. All right. So there is a portion here for percentage. I think some of you have started percentage. So go to chapter 2. Okay, there is a recap for 2.1, 2.2. So today, for the next 30 minutes, we will try to do at least 2 to 3 topics, 2 to 3 quizzes. Okay, you can start your 2.1 first. Then after that, you continue. All right, Ken? So you can start quiz. Rifki also, are you able to go to this page? Rifki, can you just, it's okay. Then if not, just on your camera so I know you are there. Okay, Rian can start, okay? Okay, for Arisa, okay, Arisa, this is yours, right? So your WA tomorrow will be your decimals, whole numbers, right? Can you work on the decimals first? Topic 3, you open 4 topics. Can you click on topic 3? Chapter 3, sorry. Yeah, start on this, especially dividing by hundreds and tens and thousands. Okay, start doing. Okay, Rifki, are you already at EduReach Learn?
Yeah,
Okay, so have you started percentage? Can you go to the
I
percent?
reset it.
Okay, can you
I
go to
reset.
so can you start the quiz? The quiz will look like something like this. For the question on my screen, is it $90 is the original price? Jenny bought a new laptop. She was given 5% discount of $90. No, she was given 5% discount of $90. That means 5% is $90. Her discount was $90, and $90 is 5%. Get it? Hmm. Yes, so $90 is 5%. So you have to work with your 1%, then you can find 100%. That it will be the price of the laptop. Okay. Yeah. Let me just check if who's that? Atika, right? Okay, Atika just came in. Atika, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, Atika, can you log into EduReach Learn? Are you already in EduReach Learn?
yeah.
Okay, now I need you to share your screen. Okay, you have to share your screen by pressing the present now button. And I'll tell you what to do. Do you need help in presenting?
Yeah.
Okay, can you see the button below your screen? You can see the camera button, the mute button. Can you see the button called present now? It's a square box with an arrow. Do you see it?
No.
Okay, what are you using? Are you using iPad or using tablet, laptop,
Computer.
computer PC, right? Windows, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I want you to look at the bottom of your screen. What do you see? You see a red button or not? Leave call. Okay, did she leave? I think she pressed the leave button. Be careful with your answering, Rian. You need to know what belongs to you. Like now, they said Dave put a $22 deposit of to 20,000 and $20. So that is the deposit. Okay, 20,000 and $20 is the deposit. Then you need to find 100%. Okay, where is she? Good job, Rian. Continue. Ricky, good job, Rian. Good job, Arisa. You finished already, right? Go to the next one. Rifki, are you there?
Yeah.
Just keep your every time when you go to the another screen, your camera will go off. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you try to on the camera? No, right?
Wait, let me try.
Yeah. Then if you go to the next, if you go to another app, then it will off the camera. Is it? Okay, so Arisa, for this one, you do not need to actually do the working. You just need to know how to do your decimal jump, right? So for example, you see the first one, 0.013. When you times 10, right, you are moving the decimal to your right. Okay? So it will be 0.13. Okay, Atika, yes, welcome back. You don't press the leave call button. Okay, unmute yourself, please. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, now Do you see a button that is square and with an arrow inside?
Yeah.
Can you click it? What do you see now?
Says this will allow you to take over from Winnie again.
Okay. Wait ah. Okay. Just press OK. Then you can take over the, can you choose the tab? Hey, Rian, I saw your message. Yes. Good. Okay. So I will have three screen right now. Okay. Rian, just give me 2 minutes. Let me settle Atika so Atika can start her work. Okay. Okay, Atika, now I want you to go to your percentage. Go to chapter 2 percentage and start to do quiz 2.1. Okay. Do you know where to look at chapter 2? Chapter 2 is on your left side, right side. You can see the word chapter 2 percentage. Atika,
Yes.
yeah, do you hear me or not?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to click on chapter 2 percentage, open up the option. Look for quiz 2.1. Are you able to do it?
No.
Why no?
Yes. This was like a
Okay,
picture.
can you scroll up? Can you scroll up?
No.
Scroll up. I want to see the top of your screen. Some more. All the way, all the way. This is your account, right? Can you click on my account? No. You could scroll up. Scroll up. Can you see the button my account? Atas. That's video lesson. Come on, go up. There's this button called my account. Atas, yes. Yeah, click on it.
Yes.
No, can you press login again? Is that yours, right? Nurul Atika, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want you to go to primary at the top, primary 6, standard math. Okay. Okay, scroll down. Okay, stop. Now go to chapter 2 percentage. Click on it. Go to 2.1. Click on it. Go to start quiz. Click on it and answer the question. Okay. Once you finish, you just go to the next question until you finish all the 10 questions. All right. Let me see Rian's. Okay. Okay, Rian, you mentioned about what just now? Let me see your question. You said that it is about the money. Maybe it would be 50 cents. I don't know how I get question 3. I got 0.5. Okay, Jane borrowed some money from the bank to buy a car. She paid back 12.5% so far. Now, 2,500 is 12.5. So you take 2,500 divide by 12.5 to find 1%. Then you times 100. Then they say how much did she borrow? So you must times 100. Are you able to do it? How would you get 0.5? 2,500 divided by 12.5. Do you get 200? You can use your calculators. 2,500 divided by 12.5. You get 200. Then you times 100 after that. Okay. Rian, okay? All right. Rifki, okay? What question are you at now? What question number?
I'm at question 7.
Question 7. Okay. If you got question, you must ask me, because this education will auto mark, then you get it wrong, Okay. So I don't want you to get mistakes. Okay.
Mr. Shah, I need help with B.
Yes. Let me see yours. Okay. Yours is where? For question D. So for question D, instead of giving you the number at the start, they give you the number in the middle. So I will explain to you what times 100 will give you 530. So what you need to do is you need to divide 530 divide by 100. Move the decimal 2 times to your left.
Then
What
I
will be
get
the
5.3.
correct? So the 5.3 is the first number. That means the original number is 5.3.
Oh,
Then you can fill up the other two box already.
okay. Thank you.
Then the other two box will be 53 lah, because you 5.3 times 10. Correct? Please check your work again. 1, 2, 3, correct. 13. 3.056. 30.56. 305.6. 3056. Correct. Okay. Atika, if you got question, please ask me first. Do not try. Do not just do it. Because sometimes the questions you need clarification first. Okay. So we will spend about another 20 to 20, and then because Atika just start, so my target is to do 2.1 and 2.2. Okay. So once we finish 2.2, then we go to the next part. Arisa will be on her own pace. Okay. Good.
Mr. Shadan, can I go toilet?
Can. So let me see. This is Atika's question. So this is the laptop question. So Atika, 90%, $90 is your 5%, okay? Do you understand that? Good. So find 1%, then you can find 100%. Okay, Arisa, when we do this type of question, right? Okay, I want you to see uh, there is a technique to this. It will be very easy for you if you can master it. Now, they say 51.23 times 100, right? So then they ask, what is the same as 512.3 times what? Now, if you to realize, right, 51.23, right, and 512.3, you already have moved the decimal have already moved one time, right? Do you realize? So it's already multiplied by 10. So what you need to do, since they ask you to times 100, you will, yes, Rian, please submit. Then you will just need to times another 10. Do you realize that? Because by right, you need to shift 2 times. Because 51.23 times 100, you need to shift twice to the right. But now 512, how to submit? Just press quiz summary. Quiz summary. Yeah, then finish quiz. So your answer for that, Arisa, is 10. Because you just need to move one more only. Okay, can you view question, Rian? Can you just check why you went wrong? You just scroll. Okay. Now,
Let me teach you about the other question.
this one, 34.16 times 10, your answer should be 341.6. So this one you must times 100. Correct. Yes. You need to shift 2 more times. Correct. Okay. Hold on, Rian. Let me see where you made mistakes. How much did she? Okay. For question one, right? The trick is what? No, because how much did she pay for the laptop? Remember the discount? You forget to minus off the discount. The cost of the laptop is 1,800. You are not wrong. But the question is asking how much did she pay for it? So you should have minus $90 back. Get it? Okay. Then for the number two, right? They've put a 22% discount, right? This one you need to check your answer. How much is the car? Okay, so 2020 divided by 22 times 100. I would get 91,000, but I don't know why you get 101,000. So check your working from there. Okay. For question 3, so I think it's more a lot of working error. So not to worry. I think you just need to get yourself to understand the question. Then after this, you move on to 2.2. Okay. I also have another wrong. This one. How much allowance did Austin have? Austin bought a jacket with 35% of his allowance. No, he bought 35% of his allowance. I think you typo. You actually press 1200, right? You should have put 200. So please check your work lah, before you submit. Not to worry. Okay. Arisa. Rifki, are you back from toilet? Like he's not.
Then Mr. Sharan help me check.
Yes, let me check yours. 8.2084. 8.2084 times 1000. That means it will be 1, 2, 3. So the answer should be no, too much already. Okay, when you put 8.2084 times 1000, what will be your answer?
Wait,
It will be 820
.84.
no 8208.4, because you have to move 3 spaces to your right.
Mm-hmm.
So that means your correct answer should be 8208.4. But you see the second part is only 820.84. You need to move one more. So it's only times 10. Get it? You need only to because total you must move 3 times from the 8.2. Then they say the same as you only move 2 only. Two spaces. So you need to move one more. So that means times another 10. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Rifki, you back? I don't think so. You're back. Okay, Rifki, have you finished 2.1? And once you finish 2.1, you must tell me your score. All right? How much do you get? Okay.
I do 2.1 already.
What's your score?
9 out of 10.
Okay, good. Now you go finish up 2.2.
Okay.
Rian also doing 2.2. Good. Okay, for Rian, this question you need to answer accordingly. First, you need to understand whether it's a percentage increase or decrease. So the first row is 6, the second row is 4. So this number is a decrease, right? From 6 to 4. So you must write the word decrease there. Okay? Then they ask for how many percent. So must always find the difference. So what's the difference between 6 and 4? You got 2. Okay, Arisa, you got 10 upon 10, right? Oh, you got 8 upon 10. Go and check your answer. So Rian, you got 2. The difference is 2. Original number is 6. So you put 2 over 6 times 100 in your working. That will show you the percentage decrease. Okay.
So the one that just now I asked you to check, the first answer I got it correct, but then you say it's 10.
Let me check. Is it 8.2. One, two, three. Oh, I think the system is wrong. The answer is supposed to be 10.
Huh.
Let me just double check. Okay, can move on. Wait, now I got 20. Wait, let me see what is your question. Can you scroll down? 20%. Yeah, 20%. So it's a 20% decrease. So 2 over 6 times 100. Is it a 20% decrease? 2 over 6 times 100. No, I don't think so. Okay, wait, is it express the percentage as one decimal place? No what? You put 2 over 6 times 100, not 6 over 2. Even 6 over 2 won't get. Can you do again? 2 over 6 times 100. you will not get 20, you will get 33.3. So write down to the one decimal place, 33.3. Rifki, you're doing what question in 2.2?
I skipped that question, then I doing another question now.
Can later you can come back. If you got question, you must tell me.
Okay.
Okay. So Atika is also at the same. Atika, what's your first marks for your first 2.1?
7.
Over 10, okay.
Yeah.
Can. So the percentage decrease for Atika is this is the same question as what Rian was doing just now. So the difference is 2. Always find the difference. The difference must be done first. So it's 6 minus 2. So you got 2 difference. Then the original number is 6 because this is the first number that is being thrown. So 2 over 6 times 100 will give you 33.3%. Okay, please write your answer.
Sure.
Yep.
For C, right? Like,
Uh-huh.
what is it? Wait. Like 0.00207, I times 10, right? If I want to find like the first original number.
No, you must times 1,000.
Yeah, then times 1,000, right?
Yeah, times 1,000. You must go back. Yes. Then if you want to find the 100, you must just times 10. Because the difference between 1,000 and 100 is just 10. Then the difference between 100 to 10 is just the difference between 1,000 to 10 is 100. So you know how to times and divide will be okay. Okay. Check your work first. See? So for 2.2, what's on my screen? I don't know what's this. Wait, where's your screen? Annotating. Rian, okay with your screen? What happened? Okay, ready, eh? All right. Rifki, have you finished 2.2 or you're still doing?
I'm still doing.
All right. Is this the max question? Max question, So Max bought a book for $17.50. He decided he don't want it, but he sold it to his friend. And he sold it at $21. So some of my students say this guy is a scammer. He bought it at only $17. So can you see that there is an increase in price? Correct? So can we find the increase in price first? That means you take $21 minus $17.50. But to find the percentage increase, you must divide it by the original price. Got it? So the original price is $17.50. Is it 0.2? Do you times 100? So you take $21. You take $21 minus 17.5. So you got $3.50. So $3.50 you divide by 17.5. Then you times 100 because you want to change it to percentage. So the answer should be 20%. Good. Okay. So Jerry had 2 liters of water. He spilled some of them and left 850 ml. So he spilled quite a lot, right? So what was the percentage decrease in the water? So find the difference first again. Okay, find the difference. Okay. Rifki, once you are done with 2.2, tell me what's your score. Then after we finish 2.1 and 2.2, we'll go for a short break. Okay? I'm sure they all.
My score was 0.
Why 0? Because you never asked
I don't
me.
understand.
Yeah, that's why you keep quiet. Then how am I supposed to help you if you just do things? You didn't ask me, right? You didn't, right? So how are you supposed to do it well if you didn't ask me? I want you to reattempt the question after the break. I mean, no, not after the break, on your own. So you stop there first. Then how to do question 4. Okay. Now, there were 800 girls, right? 800 girls and boys at the party. They say half were girls and the other half were boys. So that means out of 800, 400 is girls, right? 400 is boys. So now they say 40 girls joined. So what's the percentage increase? So you put 40 over 400 times 100. Then for boys also, you must put 60 over 400, then times 100. Okay. All right. I see Arisa's checking her work. What's your score? 5 out of 10. Why? Let's check your answers. Okay, can you take a look? 259, 200 divided by 100, right? The answer will be divided by 1000. Look at that question. If you take 259,
Wait, teacher, it's confusing.
I want to explain lah. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the first part, right? If you see the first part, they say it's 259,200. You divide by 1000, right? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? You take 259, 200 divide by 1000. Your answer will be 259.2. Correct? Yes or no?
Wait, teacher, can you repeat again? I don't understand.
Okay. If you take 259,200 divide by 1000, what is your answer? $259.2, right? Am
Yeah.
I right? Yeah. So it's 259.2, right? So then you look on the second part. They say if I take 2592, how do I get I divide by what to get 259.2? I just need to divide by 10. Because remember, dividing is shifting to the left.
Oh.
Got it? So that's why all your division part is all making you mistakes. So you need to run through your mistakes to see whether you get it right the next round. So look at the 359. 359 400 divided by 1000. You should get 359.4. So 3594 divided by what will give you 359.4? So you just divide by 10. Get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay. Right.
So like for the second part, I like just like do the times like that.
Yeah. Something like that. Yes, correct. Something like that.
Oh, okay. Then do I redo this?
Not necessary now. You should be going for your short break soon. Then later I want to go do another thing. Okay? Rifki, since you are at home, do you have your speed sum punya paper?
Yeah.
Good. Check. You can check mine. I think it's wrong. You can just let me just check yours. Okay. Can you scroll down? How do you get 90%? Can you tell me? How do you get 90%? What do you do? Maybe you type it out. The answer shouldn't be 90%. Because the percentage increase of boys is only, of girls is only 40. 40 out of 400. So you take 40. Let me see if I can. No, yeah, you get 800 divided by 2, 400. So there's 400 girls and 400 boys. So that one we understand. Then after that, they say there's 40 girls join, right? So you need to do 40 divided by 400, then the answer times 100. Don't minus 40. Don't minus 40. Why you minus 40? They say 40 girls join. Join means add. So there is an increment. So the increment is 40. So you should do 40 over 400, then times the answer. Hold on. The answer times 100 to change to percentage. That should be your working again. Okay. All right. Yes, that's right. Then you should do, for boys will be 60 over 400. Atika, you got any question? Atika,
Quiz 2.2.
number?
Question 10.
So you're at question 10 now. Okay. So they say that the price of almond is from 30 to 27. It decreased, right? So find the decrease. How much is the decrease? It's $3, right? So you write down 3 over $330 because original price is 30. Then times 100. That's it. Okay. You take 3 over 30, then times 100.
But say find the decrease in price for 1 kg.
I understand. Because when you do percentage, right, it doesn't matter whether it's 1 kg or 2 kg. So the decrease is the same. Okay? The decrease is the same. Some students will just divide by 2 again. No need to divide by 2. The percentage price, the percentage value do not need to divide. Okay? You see, got so many mistakes, right? Okay. Let's go for a short break. I think you all need to take some rest. Rian need to go for a break. We will come back in, let's say, 7 minutes. 5:34 now. So it's about, come back at 5:40, 5:41 or 5:42. Okay, can.